Hi everyone, this is Debbie here from Southern Delight. Well, today I have a special treat. I have to do it one more time. I have another party bowl challenge, and this time I made this cute little rattle. These are great little gifts that would you could use for gender reveal parties. You could do like a pink one for a little girl or a blue one for a little boy, or do it non-gender. You could do one pink, one blue, and then do one that's in yellows and greens in the center. Present them with that one first and then bring out the color of the baby. I thought this would be really great for those little gender reveal parties, but you do them just the same way you do with the ring pop and then also the lollipop, except for the base is different. This part's all the same. You're just using the cake plate, 2 party bowls. The base on this one is different. I did not use a packing tube or the wreath form for this one. I ended up finding these little round cylinders at our local Dollar Tree, and then I used a pool noodle for that. This one's been cut down because I used most of it in this project, but I wanted to show you how I did this. You're going to want to take the pool noodle, slice it down the center, and just feed it around the hoop like this and go all the way around it. When you get it all the way around, it gives this form. It's not a perfect circle, it's more like a little rattle form. And then take your ribbon, whether you want to do it in red or blue or whatever color you choose, and then wrap it around it. And it's that easy, and then you just hot glue the base to the bottom. But these make such cute little gifts, and I just wanted to pass this along to you, and I hope you enjoy. And if you do enjoy these videos, don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That way the next time that I download a video, then you'll be able to see what I'm doing next. And I have plenty more of these little baby shower gifts coming up in the near future, so you don't want to miss out, so don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.